Good morning, my jelly bean and gingerbread. Now today I'm taking you on a journey to work. So come along with me. Hope you enjoy your JVLOGS.
Hey, no, no, hey.
No, today there's not really much positive news or anything like that. Apart from there's a storm passing through Florida, the east, the Yucatan Peninsula, from Mexico side, coming straight across the northwest of Florida. So that's where it is. So outside is pretty damp. There's lots of water, rain, not heavy rains, but there's rain there. God keep me safe while I drive. Call me and their blood, God give me health and strength. You always start praying. That's a normal little prayer that I normally say whenever I leave the house or doing anything. I always ask God to, cover me and guide and protect me and stuff like that. You guys should pray. But yes, am I a Christian? I'm not really in the church, but I was baptized when I was in 9th grade. I was at a crusade. Me and Akeem Williams, our friend Tippy. He was supposed to get baptized as well, but I went and I got baptized in 9th grade and stuff. And the funny thing is, I went to school and somebody provoked me and I started to cuss a lot of bad words and stuff. And they say once you do that, then you backslide and you have to ask God for forgiveness. I never grew up in the church, so I never really understood. So I was like, oh, I backslide already and stuff. But when you're young and people provoke you, you get angry and you just cuss a lot of bad word and stuff. But you shouldn't cuss bad word as a Christian. But knowing me, like personally, I take it upon myself to not curse bad word. If I don't have a reason to, I'll only curse if I get mad and stuff like that. But this is me, Mark. If I'm not comfortable with something, then I won't do it. So I have to be very comfortable with whatever I'm doing to actually do it. So that's just me. That's just a personal thing for me. But apart from that, where was I? Apart from that, I'm a strong believer in the faith, in God and stuff like that. So yeah. But yes, so my life is pretty much boring. Again, I've said this 100 times in my videos. I go to work now. I stopped going to school now because I only need maths. And then I'll be going over into the college system. You guys know too much. But so this is what I do. I go to work, I come home, I take grandma to work. However, grandma not going to work today, so I'm going to run some errands for grandma when I come home. So I can't film at work, as work is work, and I'm late already. I'm like almost 1 minute late, but I'm halfway there. So yeah. So when I leave work, then I'll film again. But that's about it. I'll hurry up and run to work. So thanks for sticking around while I talk to you guys. Yeah. So come. Why is the frame looking like it? Camera. Hold on. Alright. Hey guys. Welcome back to JVLOGS. I just finished work. It's now 12:25. I'm going to head home and then I take the car to the dealership to go and get an oil change for the car. And since grandma got the car, I haven't gotten an oil change, so it's time to change the oil. But yeah, there's nothing fun in changing the oil. Well, no, there's nothing fun, so I'm just going to let them do it, sit down, wait on them to finish, and then I go home. When I go home, I should be practicing some maths, hopefully practicing some maths. Then I'll edit this and post it. So that's a part of today. because today is Tuesday and I post on a Tuesday, so I'm giving you guys a vlog. So hopefully it turn out successful, because that's the aim of this. And that's a little chit chat with you guys, so you know I can, you know, have a little flavor, get out of the groove of me just doing like a stationary thingy where I just, you know, come and talk about a topic. Because this is how I started out. I started out with vlogs, like everyday vlogs, you know, going on the road doing stuff. You know, that's how I started out with. But being that my life is so boring, literally it's boring, I don't really have much friends or anything like that, so there's not much to do, especially where I live right now in Fort Pierce, Florida. There's not much to do. You know, if I was living down south or New York, then there'd be tons of things to do, going to theme parks or water parks or stuff like that, you know. So, but you know, I'm not a boring person, but there's not much to do. So yeah, that's about it. So what I'll do when I'm heading down to the dealership, I vlog again and just touch base with you guys and let you guys know what's up. So right now I'm driving home. I'm sweaty, smelly, smell like fish and thing, but yeah. So super bad. Hey guys, so plan change, no oil change. The car doesn't need an oil change as yet, because I've checked the voucher in the book. So I'm home right now. I'm actually going to do some maths and stuff like that, and then I edit this video, this video, and then I upload it. But look at this though. I remember I told you guys I'm building a tree house. I'm very lazy, and I tend to not finish stuff when I get them started. So there it is, still same way. So that's the tree house right there. That's supposed to be finished, as you can see. But I've been having some minor difficulties called laziness, but I'm going to fix it anyway. I'm going to finish it eventually. I'm going to finish it, and you guys will see it eventually when I get the chance and time and energy. My knee kind of still feels sick, so that's why I don't want to climb and go up in a tree using a lot of my knee and stuff like that. I kind of saving it and stuff. So yeah, but it's about to rain. It's Florida with the storm passing through. But look at this. Thanks for watching today's vlog. I hope you enjoy it. Give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. If you didn't, just keep watching. But remember to subscribe and share for more. I post videos on Tuesdays, Thursdays, Fridays, and Saturdays, and I upload vlogs occasionally. So look out for more interesting topics. Look out for more interesting vlogs like these. Remember, support JVLOGS, support my Plunkett by subscribing. Remember, t-shirts are still on sale. You can grab a t-shirt down below in the link. Thank you again for all the new subscribers that have been subscribed, and all my old gingerbread and jelly bean that have been there supporting me from day one. Big up on yourself, people. I'm out.